After a year of working for this, my drone finally arrived. An all-in-one BNF that boasts 10 times more power than I'm used to. But this got me thinking, now's the time to show the world how beautiful South Africa is. In order for me to achieve this, one must harness the wind, soar to greater heights. It comes with great preparation. It comes with great responsibility. It comes with taking that first big leap. For the mark of 10-year anniversary for Iflight is the beginning of a new journey for me.